Hello all. Earnwithnayak is an entrepreneurial training and development platform where we help individuals in setting up and starting their own businesses. We have three verticals. Earnwithnayak Training, Seminar and Workshops are a grassroots level program where we train individuals about various facets of entrepreneurship. Earnwithnayak Franshise program is to help assist individuals getting the right franchisee for them and help organization expanding their franchise network. Our most popular Earnwithnayak Business Builder program is to help aspiring startups in building and scaling up their businesses with respect to his or her interest area. So Earnwithnayak is basically a business incubator platform where we help individuals during their starting up or scaling up their businesses by providing mentoring, training, logistical support, expert tie-ups, vendor tie-ups, and host of other benefit at one place. Myself, w.r.t, I am into first generation entrepreneurship for the last 15 years and I run 4 other businesses. And I set up this entrepreneurial training platform last 3 years back. I am extremely passionate about people who are willing to start their own business, and I always aspire to help them in whatever way I can. In our expert panel, we have people from across the industry spectrum, be it digital marketer, IT services, advertiser, brand experts, marketers, logistics, event managers, legal experts, and likewise. You can follow me for all my upcoming seminars, events, webinars by registering in our Facebook and Instagram page by name of Earnwithnayak. Thank you.